Hi, this is Shannon from sisforteachers.org. Thanks so much for joining us for our fourth day of games this week. I cannot believe that we've had 3 games every day and have gotten so much great feedback on our Facebook group. Remember that you can always share out to people that do not have social media, maybe via our website on sis4teachers.org. Today in this video, it's going to be a lower elementary game. It's called Shut the Box. You certainly could go on Amazon and actually buy the game that Emily from Making Math Make Sense is going to be demonstrating with her 2 children at home. Or you can try using just a paper version or a card version. And to download the directions, we give you some options for how you can play this game if you don't actually have the game at home. It's a great way to practice addition skills for students that are needing to keep their skills sharp while schools are closed. If you haven't joined us on our Facebook group or want to share it out, it's facebook.com/groups/SIS for students. We hope that you share your unique way as to how you've been able to play Shut the Box at your house. Maybe you have the game downstairs and you didn't realize it's somewhere in a cupboard, or you've come up with a unique way to use cards or a different board to help you to kind of play this game to practice addition. Thanks so much for joining us.
Hi, Emily Capel here with MakingMathMakeSense.org, and I am back to play a new game with you. Today we're going to play Shut the Box. I have my 6-year-old daughter Chloe and I have my 9-year-old son Lucas that are going to play this game with us. Let's get started. All right, this game is called Shut the Box. We are working on addition and subtraction fluency. We each have our own set of dice. So I have red, Lucas has his favorite color green, and Chloe has blue. We're going to take turns rolling our dice, and we're either going to add or subtract the numbers that we get to flip up one of our numbers. The goal is to get all of these flipped up. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. We don't have a 0 to play, so I have to flip up a 4.
4 plus 2 is 6, or 4 minus 2 is 2. So I'm going to do 2.
Play on yours.
I'm going to do 2.
Take your dice.
So I got a 3 and a 2. And 3 plus 2, 5. Or 3 minus 2 is 1. So I'm going to do 5.
Good. Let's play another quick round. 4 plus 6 is 10, or 6 minus 4 is 2. I'm going to play 10.
Um, 6 minus 2 is 4, or 6 plus 2 is 8. I'm going to do 4.
Okay, Chloe's turn.
So I got a 4 and a 3. Okay, show them.
If you add them, what are you going to get?
If I have them, I'm going to get 7. Or if I subtract, I'm going to get 1.
Which would you like to play?
I would like to do 7 because it's closest
Okay.
to 5.
So there's 2 twists with this game. If you happen to roll an 11, you get to put down one other player's wood chips. Just one other player. So I got to pick Chloe or Lucas to put down. If I rolled a 6, they are safe and I have to put all of mine down. So if you don't have this game at home, that's okay. I'm going to show you how you can play with what you might have at home right now. All right, guys, pull your cards up.
Okay.
So all you need are cards 1 through 10. If you have your deck of cards at home, there are not ones in the decks. So the cool thing about these cards that I have, they're from Box Cards and One-Eyed Jacks, which is a great company that has lots of cards, dice, teacher manuals teaching you how to play various games with the cards and dice. And these decks do have ones. They also have 11s and 12s and 0s. These cards are awesome. I have a class set in my classroom. They have big cards, which are about as big as all of these together, which are really helpful with little kids' hands. So let's get started. So we can play this game the same way. One thing I love to do, and I know a lot of my students love to do, is play with a double die. So this is a dice within a dice. You can get a 12-sided dice as well, but we're going to play with just 6-sided ones here today. All right, Lucas, go ahead and go first. Roll the double dice. Lucas got a 4 and a 2. What are you going to do? Add or subtract?
So I'm gonna subtract, and that would equal 2. So my sentence is 4 minus 2 equals 2.
Okay, so flip it over. Chloe, go play.
So I got a 4 and a 2 also. So I could add or subtract.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna add or subtract. So
Okay, so what is 4 plus 2, sis?
it's 7 or
4 plus 2 is 6.
6.
Okay. And
Or
4 minus 2 is
2.
2. Which one are you gonna flip over? 2.
Is
Okay.
closest to 1.
So I have a 5 and a 3. I can add and get 8, or I could subtract and get 2. I'm gonna flip over my 8. Lucas, go again.
I got a 4 and a 3, so I'm gonna add, and that would be 7.
Go ahead, Chloe.
So I got a 5 and a 5. That would be 10 or 0, which there's no 0, so I'm just gonna flip over 10.
Okay. Mom's turn. I got a 6 and a 6, which is a 12. So that means all of mine go back face up. All right, so that is how we can play Shut the Box with the actual box game from Amazon or with your playing cards. I hope you enjoy.